apparently there's a fire. And we had to test the comments. I woke up like this. So the fire alarm went off at around 4 a.m. ish, some sort of like that. And I had to come down 18 flights of stairs. Oh my god, look at me. Oh. First thing I carried was my phone and veil. I even forgot my passport. Jesus. Then I got back to do some small get ready with me and came out for breakfast, and I was out for my day. Got to the forum and had coffee with these amazing ladies, and we got straight into our first session, which was about uniting cultures and tradition in modern intercultural projects. You always have to have your translator guy.